Daisy Victoria, and today I'm gonna take you with me on an adventure while I make this gown. This is my mannequin, who is my friend. One might say she is my best friend based on how much time I spend with her every single day. She's so lovely. Anyway, she's wearing a lovely dress which I made. Ooh. It's inspired by Daenerys from Game of Thrones, and I wanted to go with the earlier, first couple of seasons looks, which is much lighter colored than what Daenerys is wearing in the final part of the show. So I did this pink dress. It's pink chiffon, it's two-toned. It's like real pretty, guys. I love it. And yeah, this is all gold lace here. And the corset I'm super proud of. I'm gonna have to zoom in so you can see it. Yeah, so the collar is separate, so the dress, actually I made it like gathered here at the top, and on the back it's the same way. And yeah, I like to push these aside to get a little back, but the hair is probably going to cover it, so yeah, I might not do it while I wear it, we'll see. But yeah, and this is like a separate collar thingy with a cape in the back. Woo! So you can put it on. Well, I can put it on because I'm here with it, but if you were here, you could put it on too. Like this. And yeah, I like it. So it's nice to have it as a separate piece too. I thought that not only makes getting dressed easier, but now it's versatile and I can make other outfits out of it. So here is my corset. It's an underbust, sort of like a waist cincher. It's a short underbust, we'll put it that way. This is a steel bone corset. That's like my signature specialty, you know. So I did the scale mail here by hand. I love scale mail. It's like the skin of dragons, which I love. And I've got little chunks of it all over the place. So I took pictures of the process, and I was thinking of actually doing a PDF tutorial on how I do the little pieces, because they're really nice decorations for costumes and stuff. So I put like lace on here too, and then I did dragon scale smocking details, which I also applied to the corset. And I do have another tutorial video for dragon scale smocking, and a PDF template for it too, so if you want to try it out, I gotcha. And on the back I have some more of the lace and the scale mail. So I like scale mail, I like lace, I like corsets, I like dragons, I like a lot of things. I like to like things. And then I put some little details on the cape too, just a few little dragon scales at the edge. Probably no one's gonna see them, but I know they're there, so that's what matters, right? I made this collar to stand out with magic. JK, it's actually wire. The magic is all in my head. And these are all like gold lace appliques, so yeah, I just kind of placed them where I thought they looked good. And the cape is just attached to the back, and then it's like super duper long. And super duper fun too. Yes, it is all super duper fun. That is why we do it. I made a headpiece to go with my gown because I like it, and because I wanted dragon wings on my head, so there you go. This was also kind of inspired by the fact that Daenerys does in fact have a crown, a three-headed dragon crown in the books, but I also really like it. And yeah, I did more scale mail on the crown, and I did wired wings on the side so they stand out. I also made this scale mail jewelry. See, there's a theme. It is scale mail. So this attaches onto my middle finger, and then around my wrist, like so. And I made 2 of them because I have 2 hands. So I've been filming as I've been making this dress. Not every single part because I totally get into the crafting zone and I'm still training myself to be in the filming zone. So there's sort of a montage of key parts of the process. This is a sketch I did for my Daenerys dress, so it's an original design, my favorite. These are my fabrics. I got a pink chiffon. I'm pretty excited about it. It's pink shot with gold. Ooh, fancy. And I got pink satin lining for my dress. It's really pink actually, but I think it looks really nice with this. It's gonna be so pretty. And I got these lace appliques. I love lace appliques. Look how cool these things are. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is gonna be really super exciting. I am really excited to wear it. Yes! If you like this video, hit the thumbs up so I know, and leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're already subscribed, hit that little bell so you get notifications, and then you can see all my amazing fashion and costuming creations. And yeah, follow me everywhere on the social media too. I would love to hear from you guys. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye bye!